In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change title formats for SEO and browser tabs in Squarespace 7.1. Your page titles do double duty. They appear in the browser tab and they're the clickable headlines in search results. Getting them right improves clarity for visitors and helps search engines understand your content. I'll show you two reliable ways to manage titles in Squarespace 7.1: editing a single page's title and setting up a consistent site-wide format. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open your site. From the main dashboard, go to Website, then Pages. Find the page you want to optimize, hover over it, and click the gear icon to open its settings. In the Settings panel, select the SEO section. Here, look for the SEO title field. This is where you can write a clear, descriptive title specifically for that page. Aim for a concise phrase that leads with the core topic and, when helpful, includes your brand. Try to keep it in the 50 to 60 character range so it won't be truncated in search results. Avoid stuffing keywords. Focus on readability and accuracy. When you're happy with it, click Save to apply your changes. That updates the page's browser tab text and the title that search engines see. If you want a consistent structure across your site without editing each page one by one, you can set a global format. From the main menu, open the SEO area, then choose Search Appearance. Here you'll see templates you can customize for your homepage, standard pages, and content items like blog posts or products. These templates use variables that automatically pull in details from each page. For example, using a format like %piece %is tells Squarespace to display the individual page title first, followed by your site title, separated by a vertical bar. This keeps your branding consistent while highlighting the unique page content. A few practical tips as you configure these templates. Keep the separator simple, such as a vertical bar or a hyphen. Place your brand at the end unless the brand name is the primary draw. Use sentence or title case consistently. And avoid duplication, like repeating the site name twice. Remember that the per page SEO title you set will override the template for that specific page, which is useful for high-value pages that need extra polish. When you're done, click Save to apply your site-wide title format. That's it. With targeted page edits and a thoughtful global template, your Squarespace titles will look clean in browser tabs, read well in search results, and support better SEO across your site.